Yo, so today I'm gonna be checking out Izna for the very first time. This group, I heard about this group like a while ago, and obviously, I've been meaning to check out their music, and I wanted to wait until like their next comeback. And here it is. Although I'm a little bit late, but here we are. I'm just gonna be honest. I don't know anything about this group apart from the fact that they are a fifth generation group and they are fairly popular. I don't know how popular they are, but I just know they are popular. They have some level of popularity. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But really looking forward to it. New group. So yeah. Without further ado, let's get into it. We're going to check out Metronome. We're going to check out the music video first, and then we're going to check out the performance video afterwards. So yeah, let's go. Whoa. Whoa, cinematic. Hold up. That was some, hold on, wait. That was genuinely some cinematic masterpiece right there. What the fuck? The music, the setting, laughter, fire, and then silhouette. Like, come on, hold on. Oh, okay. Hold up. Easing into the beat, I see. Okay.
Got my head in the clouds, too loud. Let the noise just fade away. Wanna let go.
Oh, hold on. Oh. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Okay. All right. That was pretty good. I was not expecting the chorus to sound like that. At least that first part. I was kind of expecting something different given what we were hearing like in the first verse, But yeah, the chorus is nice. I really like that chorus. That first part, that first half was, you kind of letting the beat shine right there, and then that second half, boom, when they start singing, very good. I like it. And then that first verse, oh my gosh, that was amazing. I really like how that started off. You kind of like the beat kind of eased its way in, and then their vocals sound very fucking good. So yeah, I'm really liking this song so far. Oh. The music video looks pretty interesting too. Yeah, I'm feeling this. Oh, record player? Oh, that was a nice transition. That was actually a very good transition. What the fuck? Hold on. So they were going through like junk. They found a record player. On a vinyl, started playing it. And then yeah, very good transition. And this scene looks cool too. They're like in space, This is dope. Yeah. Bridge. Oh. Whoa, she froze? No. Oh. Hold up. Switch up? Again? Whoa. Ooh. Oh, that was dope. That was dope. Control. Metronome. Yeah. She hugs her silhouette. Metronome. Ooh. That was smooth as fuck. Everything that happened right there, smooth as fuck. Okay. Okay. And I'm guessing this is their label, Wake 1. Yo. That song was pretty good. Definitely more like EDM kind of influence. A little bit of house music in there as well. Or EDM, house music, you know. Both those things in there. Yeah, that was great. The vocals were hitting. I think they have a great sound to them. Or they have great sounding voices. I think the production was very good on here. I like that whenever the chorus hits, there's like a portion where like you kind of let the beat do its thing. And then yeah, the verses were nice. That bridge though, that bridge, very good. That bridge and chorus, you know, at the end, fucking amazing, bro. And I really enjoyed this video. This video was actually pretty interesting. I like kind of the colors and the different scenes that you were seeing. I think it kind of matches the vibe of the song. And yeah, overall, like, very good. Yeah, no complaints. No complaints from me. But yeah, that was my reaction to Metronome music video. And yeah, moving on. So we checked out the video. Now, because I'm reacting to this now, they dropped a performance video like yesterday. So we're going to check out the performance video for this one. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's see how this choreo goes. Ooh, they're starting from the forest. All right. Yup. Got my head in the clouds, too loud. Let the noise just fade away. Dude, I love how like their vocal sound at this beginning part. It's just like, it's just so light and airy. Especially with the beat, it's like insane. But yeah, all right. Shoot, I'll just restart it. All right. Okay. 파도치는 blue sky 눈을 감고 deep dive 뒤집혀진 내 사상 Got my head in the clouds 저 아래는 head in the clouds Let the noise just fade away Wanna let go feel the tempo 날 찾아 일정한 rhythm 속에 불규칙한 in the chaos 선명한 Formation's good so far. This part is always interesting to me. This part is always interesting. It's the... I don't know. I always find that interesting. Or not always, but that was something I found pretty interesting in the video. But yeah, they are moving like a metronome though, so... Props. Oh, Hold on, that was cool. They get split up into two. They're looking at each other and doing the dance. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Yup, yup, yup. Hey, they're in space again. Yeah, the choreo is nice. It's cool. Whoa, that was cool. Like it changes scenes every time they clap. Yeah, that was cool. And then, whoa, they're like in a vortex or some shit. No, they're in like the Bifrost or something. Holy shit, there's like a lot going on, I'm not gonna lie. Oh yeah, and the campfire scene. Pretty solid. Pretty solid ending. Alright. Yeah, that was pretty good. I thought the video was very nice. I really liked the camera work, you know, and I really like the transitions from scene to scene, you know, and I like how they the transitions kind of match the song in ways. I thought that was very nice. The actual choreo itself, it definitely gives off the vibe that there's supposed to be like a metronome. Certain parts more than others, but yeah, for the most part, it's like it kind of matches the song, matches the name of the song, matches the vibe of the song. Like, feels very good overall. Yeah. And yeah, the video, like, going back to the video, yeah, the video definitely feels like it could have been like another music video, you know, which is nice, you know. I can appreciate that a lot. And yeah, that was my first reaction to Izna. I think they have a pretty good sound. I like their sound. I don't know if this is the type of music that they usually do, but I think they have great voices. You know, I love like the harmonies, the vocals. The dancing seems good as well. So yeah, like Izna, they got something going here. And yeah, that's all I really have to say here. If you enjoyed the reaction, please drop a like, comment down below. Subscribe to the channel for more. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.